Hello children, how are you all? I know you all are fine because you are at home and you all are safe. So again with playing we have to study well, right? So before this class we had learned alphabet A to Z and I know you all must be remembering it, right children? So fast, once again we are going to say all this alphabet. Come on with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good children. So all of you remember this? Okay. So today we are going to do some activities relating to this alphabet. Can you see something on the board? Yes. What is that? Yes. There are alphabet written here. Can anyone tell me which letter are it? Come on, say. A, then Y, then F, then P, O, C and R. Very good. And all of you look this side. Can you see pictures? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is this? Correct. Rabbit. And see here. What it is? Yes. Orange. This is correct. Apple. And what is this? Yes. All of you like to ride, no? What is that? Car. And look here. Yes, I know you all play. What is that? Yo-yo. Now look here. It will move round and round. What it is, children? Yes, fan. And this. Everybody enjoys playing there. Yeah, there are many. Slide, swing. What is that? Correct. Park. And I know you all remember this, right children? Okay. So today all of you look here. What we are going to do? Yes. We are going to join it. Correct? We are going to join alphabet with picture. Okay children? So ready? All of you look here. Now tell me. What is this? Correct. A. A for apple. A for apple. And this is already joined for you, right children? Now, here look. Which alphabet is that? Yes. Correct. Y. Which alphabet children? Y. Can anyone tell me, look at this picture. What it will be? Yes. Y for? Yes, come on. Correct. Y for yo-yo. So what we are going to do? Yes. We are going to join. So, very good. Now, can anyone tell me which is the next alphabet? Yes, correct. F. And F for, we all know, correct, fan. So, where is fan? Here. So, we are going to join F for fan. Okay. Now, tell me, after F, which alphabet is there? Yes, look here. Correct. P. Yes. Everybody likes to play here. Which place is that? Good. Park. So, P for park. Very good. Now, which is the next alphabet? Yes. O. What it is? O. And O for? Very good. O for orange. O for orange. Good children. Now look here. Which alphabet is that? Yes. Now tell me, all of you look here. Correct. C for car. C for car. All of you like to go out in a car, right children? Yes, good. C for car. Now, which is the last alphabet. What is that, children? Yes, R. And R for correct. Rabbit. R for rabbit. So children, this way you have to practice. You have to join alphabet with the picture. Okay, now we will move on to our next letter. Okay, can you see here? Yes, other alphabet, and this is small letters. What we did, that was capital letter. Now can you see small letter over here, children? Yes, first of all you are going to tell me which letter is this. Come on, very good. G. Then which letter is this? Yes, S. This is correct, H. Now, yes, very good, I. This is U. After U, which alphabet is there? B. And after B, last one is K. Very good, children. All of you look here. We will first see the picture, right? What is this? Correct. House. Can anyone tell me which alphabet will come for house? Very good. H for house. Now, what is this? You all play with it, right? What is that, children? Ball. And what is this? Yes, goat. This is kite. What we do with the kite? Yes, we fly kite. Now, what is this? Yes, you see in the morning, then you feel very hot. Yes, sun. Okay, this everybody knows because it is your favorite. What is that? Ice cream. And this? Yes, now it is rainy season. So we say no, rain, rain, go away. Why? Because we all want to play out. So when we go out in rain, what we take and go, children? Correct. We take umbrella and we go, right? Yes, so umbrella. Now again we are going to do this activity. What we are going to do, children? We are going to join letter with the picture. See, first one, it is done for you. G for, yes, G for goat. Now, which is the next alphabet? S. S for correct, sun. So, we are going to join S for sun. Very good. Now, which letter is this? Yes, everybody knows. H for house. H for, yes, come on, join. House. Good. Now, yes, this nobody can forget because it is everybody's favorite. I for we eat. What is that? Ice cream. I for, yes, ice cream. Now, we move it round and round. When we go out, we take it when it's rain. What is that? Correct. Umbrella. U for, yes, umbrella. Very good. Now look here. Which alphabet is that? B. Yes, you all play with it. What is that? Correct. Ball. B for ball. Very good, children. Now our last alphabet is K. And K for correct. Kite. K for kite. So children, you have to practice this at home, right? So before we stop, I want to ask you a few questions. How many alphabets are there? Can anyone tell me? Yes, there are 26 alphabets and you have to learn all this 26 alphabet at home. Be good children and obey your parents.